Hi friends, wish all my followers and viewers very successful weekend on May 17. Unfortunately, couple of weeks I was out of the YouTube because of some personal reasons. I am back on channel again. Thank you very much for watching all my videos, my dear friends and followers on my on my absence. I wish to provide you better and beautiful videos in future and after. The today, before I go into the detail of this video, the historical place more than 1,000 years old and very popular in South Asia, beautiful state. Before that, I usually requesting all my followers and viewers to share my video and comment the details if you found anything in my videos. If it is good or bad, please comment me. I will be highly appreciate your comments. Also, whoever viewing my videos is still not subscribed, please subscribe and share with your families to develop. It will be help me to develop my videos furthermore. My channel will be highlights in YouTube. Please kindly request all my followers and viewers, please share my videos and comment to inbox me your comment. Today I will take you to the place where it is in China, located in Keqiao District, Shaoxing City and Zhejiang District. The place is called Anchang Ancient Town. It's called Anchang Ancient Town. It's very old. In Northern Song Dynasty period onwards, it is more than 1,000 years old traditional water town located in Shaoxing, Zhejiang Province. It's one of the beautiful place. Also, it's mostly it is traditional, uh, traditional Chinese traditional systems. Mostly, it is applied in day-to-day life in Chinese community. That's it is still it is remaining. Here in my video, now you are seeing it is that ancient wine factory. You see, all these are the manually they have made and maintained, and still they operating this. This is wine they made manual, not in the machinery. This is wine tanks they are keeping for the years and years to get original spirit on it. This all is still available, still they are maintaining. On the other side, you are seeing it is wine showroom. You can see on in this, you see these are the area where they have. Now I am going into the showroom. These all are wine tanks, manual, from since 1,000 years old. Now I am inside the stores. This is one of their warehouse located where they open the cans, the bodies. You can see still these all ancient ones they are kept inside. They did not destroy them. Still, it is keeping for the new generation to look at it because of the ancient system how they have applied. This is I have captured from inside. This is their showroom. See, all these are different spirit of wines. different percentage on this according to the people's capacity they used to take. Also it is keep on going on the deliveries, online deliveries. It's keep moving. You can see this is the counter where they're packing for online deliveries. It is a very nice packing system. They take bottles and wrapping with bubble sheets, and people they buy, visitors they used to buy, and some are they are placing orders online. It delivered to their locations. It's also located in the marketplace in Hangzhou, in Anchang Market traditional area. It's also nicely made, come from the factory side, buy their requirements and come out. Again you can see where they are located, all these big drums where they all the kept and covered for get it reached to some standard of percentage of stands. Until that it will remain outside only, but it's very nicely clean and they maintain beautiful way. We can see only, not to go reach and see the covers. See these and all different split of wines. Different stores. This is not from the same market, this is outside that. They have some boutiques outside. Also can go and see. It's open to see in this. It is the place they kept it open for the tourists to, even local and foreign tourists to visit and buy the traditional things. Most of the things are very ancient method they are handling. The when the Northern Song Dynasty time, how they have done the same system, almost similar way they make everything. They are not going into the latest technology. The latest technology they use the to handle still keep maintain the ancient methods. It is that's why it is remaining as best tourist destination in Zhejiang Province. This Anchang Ancient Town, the people overly commercialized destination. This area it is commercialized destination. Anchang remains an authentic living community where residents still live and work in the ancient method of Zhejiang. It is that place. It's more than 1,000 years old traditional water town located in Zhejiang. It is very popular in Zhejiang, southern China. These are some boutiques in you can see in the video. They're all man-made, handmade things to sell in these stores. All are small boutiques, but still both sides in the middle there is small passage to go, walk and cycling and all. You can see it is all traditional method, the village style. They live in the same method of uh, Shang Dynasty time. This canal is very popular in this because it is called water town in this area, and also the people who enjoy boat riding in these canals, especially the newly married couples, they used to ride in this canal boat riding because it was since Shang Dynasty period. The traditional system was it was there in the in this city. This city called Water Town, Anchang Water Town. So these are some of they can see on the video. That's a couple driving riding a boat. This is something about Hanchang city. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you on another new long video. See you. Bye bye.